Hey everyone, happy Reflow Master JLCPCB Day! Okay, before we have a look inside the box, I just wanted to get something out of the way. Yes, JLCPCB did supply this revision of the board for free. JLCPCB contacted me a few weeks ago and asked if I wanted to work together with them on a project. They liked my Reflow Master idea and they offered to pay for these boards. As many of you know, I've been using JLCPCB for quite a while already and I recommend them all the time. I'll continue to use them in the future, whether they're supplying me free boards or whether I pay for them. Their website is really easy to use. The fact that you can preview your Gerber files one line before you hit the commit button. Their customer service is top notch and I just love their board quality. Let's have a look at what's inside, shall we? Okay, we've got some boards and a stencil. It looks like I finally, oh look at that Reflow Master, wicked. I finally got my stencil size correct. Yay! I want to have a look at that actually. So you can set a custom stencil size. As many of you know, I've had super small ones and super big ones, but I've now got a correct size stencil. And that looks excellent. Okay, I'm looking forward to using that. Put that off, let's have a look at the PCBs. Can't wait. Okay, here they are. Can I do it with my hands? I think I need a knife. Let's get a knife. So I got 10 just because they come in lots of 10. I only need one right now. Look at that. Let's lay them all out, shall we? Because that's just cool. Love PCBs. So let's have a look. That's a very small board with lots of components packed in together. Let's see how close we can get with our focus, shall we? Give you a nice look at it. Look at that. That is such a great quality board. The milling around the sides is just spot on. Super smooth, super accurate. The silk screen is just really top notch. I've packed some components in pretty close there. I'm a bit worried about putting this all together. And as you can see at the back, Reflow Master 2018-1 unexpected maker with the open source hardware logo on there, because I will be open sourcing these. I don't have any ground plane on the back here. They actually look fantastic. I'm super excited to use these. My plan is to assemble a board from scratch on a live stream. So I'm going to put my stencil together. I'm going to put solder paste on one of these boards. I'm going to put all the components on and I'm going to reflow it with my breadboard version of my Reflow Master to make sure it all works. And then I'll have to hand solder the header on, which is this over here, the SWD debug header. I'll have to put that on manually and then I'll have to program a bootloader onto the SAMD21. Then I'll be able to program the board, put the TFT screen on it, and we'll be able to try out whether this works or not. I don't know if I'll get that far in my live stream, but now that the boards are here, next Wednesday, folks, or my Wednesday, which is Tuesday in the rest of the world because I live in the future, I will be doing this live. So join me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click that alarm bell to know when my future videos come out. Until next time, catch you later.